Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 3, Daycare Providers. In this chapter, we'll look at special rules which apply to those taxpayers whose business use of the home involves a daycare facility. If a taxpayer uses his or her home on a regular basis to provide daycare, he or she may be able to deduct business expenses for that part of the home, even if the same area is being used for personal purposes when the daycare is not in operation. A taxpayer may only qualify for this exception to the exclusive use test if he or she meets both of the following tests. First, the taxpayer must be in the business of providing regular daycare for people in one of three categories: children, people age 65 or older, or people physically or mentally unable to care for themselves. Second, the taxpayer must have applied for, or been granted, or be exempt from having a license, certification, registration, or approval as a daycare provider or as a family or group daycare home under applicable state law.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.